Welcome, folks. This is 16th of February. The article is related to indigenous defense. Article is HAL to provide maintenance and overhaul support for MQ-9B drone engine in India. As India look to purchase armed predator remotely piloted aircraft system (RPAS) from the US, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited (HAL) and General Atomics announced at Aero India on Wednesday that the turbo propeller engine that the power the MQ-9 by Guardian high altitude long endurance HALE RPAS will be supported by HAL Engines division for the Indian market. The company are looking to formulate a comprehensive engine maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO program for the upcoming HAL RPAS projects, a joint statement said. HAL has been manufacturing and providing MRO support for a TPE 3315 engine for the past 40 years. We are also establishing facilities for manufacturing TPE 33112B engines for HTT-40 projects. The engine used on MQ-9B RPAS belongs to same family of engine with the upgraded configuration to adapt to RPAS technology. I am glad that Engine Division Bangalore would be providing MRO support to engine for MQ-9B RPAS, one of the most sophisticated equipment in the world. CB Anantakrishnan, chairman and managing director of HAL, said. The Indian Navy operates two MQ-9B Sea Guardians taken on lease in 2020, a large deal for 30 armed MQ-9Bs, 10 for each service is pending. Last year, the Defense Ministry ordered a reassessment of the requirements of the deal, estimated at around 3 billion. In another announcement, HAL Germany-based Hensoldt announced a collaboration agreement covering design, IPR transfer for uh, design and manufacturing of obstacle avoidance system for Indian helicopters, primarily the Advanced Light Helicopter ALH and the future exports. Thank you, guys.